Hello guys, and this is my Mamod SE1 steam engine from around the 1960s. My first steam engine ever I got. It's got a grinder, everything, fully functioning boiler. I'm not running this as much as before because it is getting old. I will run it occasionally, but not as much as I do the other Mamods and the Willescos. Now I found a problem on it. I was turning it over, make sure it's nice and smooth, and look what happens. Can you zoom in so you can see that? There you go. So the piston, it'll move, but the flywheel is completely off, and you see the bolt that goes just here is completely gone. So what I'm going to do for the first time, and probably since the engine was constructed, I'm going to be taking the engine off this wooden base it's on. So I'm going to time lapse this because these bolts, they're going to be quite tough. So I'll time lapse it and I'll see you in a bit. So we've got a lot of the screws off. There you go. Quite nicely made actually. I don't know if they're custom made in a lathe or so. But we've got one more left, so they're actually quite a lot more free than I thought they'd be. To be fair, last time I did it, I did use a quite thin screwdriver, so I didn't get a grip on it. So here we go, last bolt. Right, I'm going to disconnect the engine from the belt, and wow, that is mucky. Look at that, guys. So we've got the engine off the plinth, looking very, very nice indeed. I will put this over here for now. I'm going to show you the see if we can find the bolt and all of this mucky stuff. So you can see it's a lot of muck, it's a lot of charcoal. So I'm guessing that obviously at some point the previous owners may have run this on charcoal. Got quite a bit of a burn here. That'll scrape off. Just use the base into view. Aha! That's what we're looking for. So you can see it. That's what we're looking for. So I'll get the engine and we'll put it back on and see if it'll be see if it'll turn much better now. So here we are. We've got the flywheel, and then that's where our bolt goes. Or a little screw, I should say. So I'm going to try and... I'm sorry if my fingers are in the way. It's quite a fiddly job. So that's just like in there. So now I'm going to get the screwdriver. It's quite big, but... Oh dear, don't fall over again. Jeez, that's close. I'm going to get a smaller screwdriver, because I think that will make a bit of a difference. Alright, let's try this one. There you go. So just going to screw that back on there and make sure it is lovely and tight, because that's how it should be. So that's now on there. So hopefully, fingers crossed. Look at that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video on repairing my beautiful little SE1 steam engine. Because I'm not going to run it as much, I'm going to give it a really good clean, get some Brasso and clean the boiler up, and also clean the safety valve up, because you see it's got all lime scale on it. It's all dirty. Same with our water indicator valve there, the little handle. So, actually, you can see the burner. Look at that, it's just completely rotten. So we will be sorting this out, guys. It'll look hopefully brilliant. I won't be painting it. I want to keep the paint original. I'll remove any flaky paint like this here. So yeah, look, just flake that came off. So I'm going to put it back on the base now, and then I'll stop the video there. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let's get this back on the base.